Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace or put in and out the SD card in your AKASO Brave for Pro. And to do this, get the SD card that looks almost the same as mine. It should look exactly like this, to be honest, and now place it like that in the slot on the left side of your camera, this one right here. And now you need to put it in so that it sits very tightly. I'm gonna show you that in a second. You should also hear a click sound when you actually, yeah, like that. So now it's attached and it should work fine. And to remove it, you need to use your fingernail or any sharp or thin object that you can push in there. So simply push on the card and it should release like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.